SWAN, the fortress. If Atlas is a nimble drone, then SWAN is a battleship. The scale of C/2025 R2 is honestly hard to comprehend, but it's the data that paints a radical picture. One that's driven speculators like Harvard's Loeb to consider similar theories for other objects. It all began with reflectance data. SWAN's core has an albedo or reflectivity far higher than a typical dark comet nucleus, matching the signature of polished metal. Some analysts argue it fits a nickel-cobalt blend, an alloy used for its immense strength. Then came reports of a silvery halo around the nucleus, an anomaly some interpret as a plasma envelope, or maybe even an electromagnetic shield. This is where it earned the nickname the Fortress. Unlike Atlas, SWAN appears steady and invulnerable, refusing to fragment as it nears the sun. Even its tail shows evidence of micro-thrusts, tiny, rhythmic pulses at a consistent frequency that just defy natural outgassing. Add in its 22,554-year orbit, and you have an object that appears to be ancient, armored, and on a deliberate, powered course. It isn't just passing through, it's arriving.